means simplify, but solve means find the value of.
What page is this?
169. Find the value of, in this case, the letter that we don't know. Find the value of x. Right, so the best thing to do is always write the equation first. Oh, that's plus 8 is equal to 0. Right. So we find the factors of 8. 1 times, what are the factors of 8? 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. Alright, which pair will add up to 9?
1 times 8.
1 times 8. So we'll try, well, x and x.
X
8 and 1. And the test is,
Just one this one.
so you multiply 8 times x, 8x. And you multiply 1 times x, 1x. And how do they add or subtract to give you a 9? So it's a plus 8 and a... Yeah, so it's a plus 8 and a plus 1, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's a plus 8 and a plus 1.
So x equal minus 8, x equal minus 1.
Yeah, so what's the next step, Ben?
X plus 8 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 8. And then x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1.
Minus 1. Right. The next one. So if it says solve to 2 decimal places, straight away you're using the minus b formula. So you're using the minus b formula. So the first, so you have to find out what a is, b, and you have to find out what c is. A is the number in front of the x squared or the whatever squared number it is. What's the number missing there?
P.
What's the number in front of the p squared?
1.
What's the number in front of the b? The next 5, and the next is minus 11. Right. So you write out your formula, which is in the log tables. Alright, so what I tell students is to replace the letter with brackets first, because you're dealing with, there's a minus up here, so that's going to cause trouble. So alright, so fill in, b goes in here, 5, b goes in there, a goes in here, and c goes in here, and a goes in here. Right, minus times the plus 5. Call it out there, Mark. Minus times plus 5. Minus 5.
Yeah.
Minus times the plus is a minus. Plus a minus. 5 squared, Mark.
25.
Now when you get to this far, this you go, you use a calculator if you like. Minus 4 times 1 times minus 11.
44.
Plus 44, use a calculator. Over 2 times 1, which is 2. So you have minus 5 plus or minus
69.
square root of 69, yeah? Over 2. Okay, so you can key that in. X, there's 2 answers. Minus 5 plus square root of 69 over 2. And you key that into your calculator. And the other answer is x is equal to minus 5 minus square root of 9. Square root of 69 over 2. Alright, just key that in, and then you have to get your answer to 2 decimal places. So better do it. So minus 5 plus square root of 69 equals divided by 2 as a decimal. So 1.6533. So it's going to be, that 3 is not going to change to 5, so it's 1.65. And then over here you have minus 5 minus the square root of 69 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 6.6533. So the 3 is not going to change to 5, so it's minus 6.65.